Hey, what's going on? What's going on, everyone? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Another day in the markets. Today it's Tuesday. What is it? November 5th, 2019. The street trading here. Getting into the watch list, getting in a little bit what we saw in the market yesterday. So obviously, as you can see, SPY closed up just north of a point, pretty much kind of consolidated. Well, slow fade after that, serious run on Friday and pre-market yesterday as well into the 308s, then just slowly faded down to the 307s. That being said, still closed green, still up in the 300, still defending these levels. This is all-time highs, so obviously this is a bullish market right now, clearly. Sector-wise, we had a 7-4 bull split. Energy went bell to bell, top spot. Utilities went bell to bell, and down with the bears of the list. So we're gonna get into it. We got 5 on our watch list. We're gonna kick it off here with Baba, and Baba's just it's clearly just it's an uptrend. You're seeing some pullbacks here and there. It's kind of getting in the top of the channel. We got a 184 initial target that we're looking for initial push to the upside. They closed up just north of 3 points yesterday, so obviously it was a solid day after the gap up. And it faded out in the morning, kind of found support at the gap up low, and then bounced off that, and then obviously went up above VWAP and continued pushing higher. So we like Baba to the north side today. Any pullbacks to VWAP, we're going to mitigate. Excuse me, we're going to mitigate to the north side. Next up, we got Netflix. Close up just north of 6 points. We have a 297 price target on Netflix. We like it. This keeps pushing higher and higher. And that being said, we can zoom out of this thing on the daily. It's kind of in the low part of this channel from September and the end of August. So we like that it's in this level right now to the low part of the level. So we anticipate a strong technical move to the upside for Netflix. NVDA had a solid day yesterday, just shy of 8 points to the upside. It was very good for us yesterday. Had a nice curl midday right off VWAP bounce and just crossed over a technical long-term resistance level, which pushed prices even higher. And in the market, as you can see, after hours pre-market pushing higher, right now it's trading at the 211 mark. So we're going to be bullish on NVDA. We anticipate a pullback in the morning and let it settle down a little bit. Might going to see a little bit of trade below VWAP. Then you're going to see, and we anticipate a little VWAP breakout to the upside. Tesla. Just defying all odds, man. Obviously, a lot of chatter with their Q3, the report. Analysts are kind of digging through it, trying to find every little discrepancy, and there's arguments on both sides. Technically, you cannot fight what the chart is printing. Period. I mean, everybody has their own opinions of everything. Who gives a shit? The street dictates direction. Clearly, the price is what it's trading at right now. It defended that 310 and pushed higher all day yesterday, closing up just north of 4 points. Now it's in a new channel, the 317 channel, cracked at 320. Next up, 324. So again, if it keeps defending this level, clearly it defended the 310. Now it's going to defend the 317 if it defends the 317. If not, you're going to see a fade back to 310. We anticipate it's going to get the defense around this level, find support, and bounce to the upside. At the end of the day, charts don't lie. You're seeing what's being printed. Analysts have their opinions. That being said, who gives a shit? You're going to see what the chart's printing, and then you trade the trend. You trade what you see, not what you hear. All right, last up, we got TTD, the trade desk. It looks like it's about to break out to the upside. It's kind of coming out of a triangle here. Flag pattern on the daily. We're looking for a bounce over that 206. That's going to be the initial target for today's session. It closed down just red. It was kind of a strong close, which kind of caught our attention to the upside. So we're going to be bullish for TTD for today's session. So that's what we got, guys. We got the 5. As always, watch out for a price and be patient with your setups. Be patient with price. Cut losses very, very quickly if you find that you're on the wrong side of the trade. Don't get emotional. Don't be biased. Cut your losses quickly. Conserve your capital. Take a step back. Reevaluate your original thesis. If you're right, step back in. If not, learn from your mistakes and move the fuck on. All right, guys. Any questions? Reach out to us. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you like our videos here, you want to keep seeing them on the daily, reach out to us. Any questions? Reach out. All right, guys. Have a good one.